Good evening. I am in Kattupadi near Vellore, India. Today I am going to talk about Laudato Si, Pope Francis encyclical on ecology and environment. In fact, at the very beginning of the encyclical, paragraph numbers or article number 1 and 2, I am going to talk about it. The first article talks about Saint Francis of Assisi, the Canticle of the Sun or the Canticle of the Creatures, in which he writes so beautifully, the earth is the mother and the sister. Yeah, Pope Francis quotes Saint Francis of Assisi 800 years ago. Mother Earth she is a mother. Sister Earth, she is a sister. So it is a relational inclusion because Francis of Assisi called everything brothers and sisters. He called brother sun, sister moon, brother wind, sister water, brother fire, brother wolf, sister lamb, mother earth, sister earth. Everything is a relational inclusion. It's a cosmic family. It's a beautiful family. This planet Earth takes care of us like a mother, gives food, milk, water. When you get sick, it gives you medicines. She's a sister, constantly helping us to grow. She gives you flowers, herbs. She guides you. And she gives you peace and joy and happiness. But in the second article, the second paragraph of Laudato Si, very sad. Pope Francis plunges into darkness. He is so upset that what is happening to our common home, our planet Earth. Because man thinks that he is all powerful. He has got dominion. It's a delusion. Genesis 1, chapter 1, 26 to 28, in which we are told that we have dominion to subdue the earth and to dominion the fishes of the sea, the birds of the air, the animals of the field. But the humans have misunderstood dominion. Dominion means it is conserving, it is preserving, it is not pillaging, it is not exploiting, it is not tyrannizing the nature. Rather, you should exercise your power with justice, with kinship, and you become a bigger brother, and all the rest of the creation becomes your sisters. But we have misunderstood. So today, so much of filth on planet Earth because man thought that he has got a right to plunder. In fact, the holy books, they have been misinterpreted for the anthropocentric interest. We know that. So only anthropocentrism. Man is the center. Man is the best species. Man is the only species. He is the crown. And he is the jewel of creation. There are so many things. We have written so many thousands of books, you know that, no? Thousands of, you go to the library. In the library, you see the whole rack of books centered on dominion theology. Today, the earth is plundered, especially the soil, air, water, and all life on earth. And Pope Francis is quoting from the book of Genesis chapter 2, 7, in which we read, God has created human beings from the dust of the earth. Yes, from the dust we have been created. Our body is holding 23% of carbon, bones, and 71% water in our body. We are the microcosm of the macrocosm. You understand that? We are the small earth, the bigger earth is outside. We are the microcosm of the macrocosm. In other words, I have 71% water in my body. You also do. Exactly as planet Earth is having 71% of water in the oceans on the surface of the earth. Same. 23% land on the surface of the earth. The same way in my body and your body, 23%